So, I got something. I don't know if I'm going to keep it because it has to actually be better for me to keep it. If not, I'll return it, but I figured let me get it and try it just to see. And then if it's like worth it, then, you know, I'll keep it. But let's just see this right here. Okay, yeah, Samsung. Some people should already know what the fuck we got going on, you feel me? Like, tight shit. So, yeah, because again, like, it's kind of dumb, but alright, so Galaxy Buds Pro 2. This I may just keep everything. I probably will. But Galaxy Buds Pro 2, perfect timing because the earbuds that I have are like kind of going out. Not sound wise, but like pieces are falling off, like the little mesh and whatnot. So I'm like, it's perfect timing. So Buds 2, and then S24 Ultra. So I still don't understand. Hold on. There we go. So I still don't understand what exactly made me want this. It said it has some AI stuff and whatnot. So yeah, it says do not accept if the seal is broken. Seals are not broken. So we're gonna pop this open. ASMR type, and then wow, it just like popped open. Super boring presentation. Back of the phone looks pretty much like what I have, but I guess it's slightly different. I have no idea. But yeah. So you know, and if I check my watch, it's because the camera's on there, so I'm just making sure everything is still in focus and whatnot. But like, ooh, it's nice and cold. But yeah, the sides are more flat and everything. You know, I don't know. I'd have to compare the size. Sorry, but I'm like locking the screen. But the phone, I don't know. I don't know how much of a size difference there is, but you know, this is like the titanium one. Let me see how it feels in hand. Feels about the same. It's still narrow, and that's one thing I don't really care for. I have really, really big hands. Like, you guys can see, like, my hands dwarf the phone. So, like, I like a large phone. So this will most likely end up swapping out for the Z Fold 6 or whatever, because I do kind of miss a folding phone. But, and I did have the Z Fold 5, but I ended up getting rid of it because I'm like, I don't really need it. I should have kind of kept it. Anyhow, I'm waffling. But yeah. So this is S24 Ultra. These are the Galaxy Buds Pro 2. I'm not sure how I'm going to edit this video, or if I'm just going to pretty much like leave it quite raw and just upload like a long 15-minute video or something, because if I keep waffling like this, that's going to be the length of the video. But yeah, so here's the Galaxy Buds Pro 2 in black, because of course everything has to be black. So there's a cable in here. Cool. And I'm pretty sure that's it. I don't think that they provided us with a block. So one thing is, these Galaxy Buds Pro 2 are free. So that's also another good thing. So I pretty much got this phone for $400 because I have to get rid of the S23 Ultra, which I'm gonna do anyway. Well, not which I'm gonna do any. Well, I'm gonna do it anyway because I'm gonna keep the phone. I'm acting like I'm not, and it's up in the air, but I know I am going to keep it. But let's see. This is. I don't remember what's what AC blower motor. Okay, so this is for the E36, and then this is Atari, not Atari like the game system, but Tauri, Tauri. And it's a case. Alright. So, I do like the case that I have. It has this, like, shutter thing that protects the camera and stuff. So I got one that was similar. But one thing I didn't like about my phone is there was no, like, way to prop the phone up. So this, let me see. Oh, wow. I thought I was going to, like, break it because it feels like kind of, but damn. But yeah, so I got another case like that, but it has a kickstand. And then I'll put the links to everything. They're affiliate links, you know, because I'm not trying to just give these people any free promo. It's free promo unless you buy it from my link. But yeah, so here's the case. It's cool. Makes the phone slightly bigger, but again, not big enough because I have really big paws. So, like, look at that. Like, my hands are really big. I like a phone that will encompass. I'm sorry, I have to turn off the AI reader thingy on my. Come on, man. Whatever. I was trying to turn off the AI tracker on my gimbal, but it's not trying to cooperate. So we are going to. It's 8. Come on, man. Whatever. I don't know if there's a screen cover on this thing. I can't tell. I don't know if I have a screen protector on my phone or on the other one either. But yeah, so I thought this phone was going to be black. It's dark, but it's more of like a gunmetal than it is black. I don't like that. Because I just wanted it to be black. Like, granted, the case is black, so the phone is going to be black. But, yeah. I'm just being annoying. But, oh, wow. Well, so this is not as positive as the click on mine. Like, it does have, like, a magnet that closes the, thing. But the opening and stuff, like, I don't know, it doesn't have as positive and a tactile feel as this one. Like, if you can hear when you close it, it into place. This one doesn't. This phone feels pretty much the same as the S23 Ultra. Granted, this phone is just a slight upgrade over the S23 Ultra. It's not supposed to be like you go from the S23 Ultra to the S24. You're supposed to go from like the 21 to the 22 to the 24. Or an old phone to the 24, not the previous one, because that's the way the game is. They don't do like a massive upgrade anymore, like every model. So yeah, and again, this is like $10 a month, so I mean, whatever. But I'm gonna keep it. I don't know why I'm acting like I'm not, but yeah. So I have no idea what any of the stuff is, but it does seem as if I do need to get a screen protector or something. I have no idea, but again, this has like the edges and everything, so I'm pretty sure it'll be fine, but I don't know. But I guess I could turn it on and everything like that, I didn't even check to see if there was a SIM card in here. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. But this will probably end. This is not going to be a two-part video. I'm probably going to activate this thing, check it out, and then, or activate this thing and then come back to you guys once it's activated. So yeah, just using this phone. I mean, it's decent. I don't even know which app to go on because things get crazy on here, like a Flossie Carter video. But yeah, like, this thing is pretty decent. Yeah, right, officer. Anyhow, this phone is pretty decent. I'm gonna keep it because it has more memory. Hey, shout out to Zosh. He filled his giveaway again. That's nice. But yeah, this phone is pretty decent. Like, same case on here and everything like that. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna send the S23 Ultra back. After I get a couple more days with it, I'm going to give a better review. But overall, the phone is just decent. The S23 Ultra seems like it's a better phone. And you're probably like, why would you give it away or whatever? I'm just going to keep this one because I have it and I already put my stuff on here, so I might as well. And again, I want the 500 more gigabytes. And I guess once more updates and things come for this phone and things like that, then it'll get better. But for now, it's just whatever. Super early model anyway, so I won't complain. These are first world problems, and this is honestly the least of my concerns.